Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can integrate ClickUp with Gmail. So what do I mean by integrating ClickUp with Gmail? So in ClickUp, as you know, there's a lot of tasks you can do. And in these tasks, you by chance can comment. And in the comment section of the ClickUp task here, you can integrate Gmail with ClickUp, which offers a lot of conveniences. So I'm going to show you how you can do that. If you're starting from the home screen here, for example, you can see there's on the recents, there's a couple of tasks we can see. If you already have the task you want in mind to get the create Gmail onto, you can click it from here. But if not, you can go to this section here on everything. So just click on show everything. Now once here, you'll see all of the tasks you have at hand. And I'm going to click task 1 here, for example. And you want to click on the comment section here, on the comment field right here. If you don't have anything, it'll just show up like this. And you want to click on the email section here. And you can see that it'll flash link an email at you because we don't have anything linked yet. So let's just click it real quick. Link an email. And you can see here, you can sell email to anyone outside of ClickUp. And we want to do Gmail, so let's sign in with Google. Once you click sign up like this, it'll show up a UI like this. Now you need to select all, so the ClickUp can view your email and send email on your behalf as well. And you can take a look at all of the other things that ClickUp can access. They can associate you with your personal info on Google, see your personal info, including any personal info you've made publicly available, and see your primary Google email address. So basically, they can read your email and personal information, but it's only your name and personal info that you've made publicly available. So let's just click on this, continue. And you'll see it'll load real quick. And there you go. Now our email account is linked. And you can select people that can send from this account, right? So you can make it admins, myself, limited members, and admins, or you can choose the people here, which you can do with this. I'm going to make it only myself, right? There's also things here, like you can upgrade to unlimited, which removes the 100 use limited, and you can send and receive unlimited emails. So of course, by the message here, it means that if you're on a free plan, this kind of feature is limited. You can also do signatures here if you'd want, and you can also add a template here if you'd like as well. But besides that, once you're happy, you can just click on this button here to finish your setup. Click on done, and then click on save. And then after that, Gmail will be integrated with ClickUp.